So hello guys, today we're playing Blade Ball. Blade Ball, and yes. I can't move? Oh wait, it's loading. Find the X button. Where's the X? Oh, there you go. I'm good at this, guys. I'm good at it. You don't know? I've been playing this. So let we know it. Oh wait, we have extras here. So guys, yeah, we have like explosions here. The one that I really like is the cane. I have it equipped. So yeah. So black sheep. So there that we have. So we'll just wait for the next round. You know what I meant, right? The next round. I mean, they won't even have to party. So, but the book is like from another one. But that's another country. Oh yeah, no, not anymore. But if you turn off and you turn on, you like can't go to the game. I don't know. Yeah, we do classic. About the classic. What? Why is Gojo here? It is the daddy song. Yeah, let's do this. Ah, bro! Aya. Kani ko Joy? Baka na ano lang nasama. Baka nalagay niya. So yay guys, so we're gonna start now. Yeah. I mean like bro. Come on, bro. Come on. I received 600 coins just for that. Bro. This ain't good, bro. Not a good deal. But at least I got 600 again. Is this classic Roblox? 250. Oh. Come on. I want the ice. Okay, we can do another spin. Come on, bro. Come on. Oh, man. Oh, man. I can't do another one. I need 900 more. I need 3 more. my bonsai tree. I hate this, boy. I hate this. How do you get hit? Who's the X button? Okay. Why don't I know this, by the way? I didn't know there was a classic event on Blade Ball 2. Playtime will watch the third stage. Okay. Oh, we got something good! Finally, bro, finally! Dude, gotta watch me win, guys. Gotta watch me win. So yeah, guys, we're gonna win this bet. Oh, what happened? What happened? I clicked it. What the? There's no way I died. There gotta be a glitch, right? A glitch. Glitch, guys, glitch. It's a glitch. What the? It's a glitch? Yeah, just kidding. I already did that. Krypton! Why do I keep thinking this? I mean, it's glitching, right? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, look. I can do double with that.
Bakit ka nang babato?
Tell me why ain't nothing right. Tell me why ain't a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say it. What the? There's something I can stand on. What the? Oh my, that was brutal. Very brutal. Like, I'm so brutal. I don't even know this guy. I don't even know. Tell me why. Nah, bro, nah. Yay, getting close to you, nigga. Oh, I just said a bad word. Sorry, guys. Tell me why ain't nothing but alright. Tell me what I really wanna hear you say. They flashing out.
High five.
No, bro, no. Well, I'm gonna end it here. Bye-bye. Peace.